In today's video, we're taking an autumn walk around Barton Hills Nature Reserve in Bedfordshire. Located just off of the A6, the reserve is easily reached by car, and the Harlington train station on the Thameslink line is around 10 minutes away by taxi. The reserve, which is part of the Chilterns, is made up of downland and woodland. A chalk stream begins at the foot of the hills. In the first part of our walk, having walked along Church Road to access the reserve, we'll walk through the woodland, crossing over the stream twice. Emerging by the foot of the hills, we'll take a short detour to see the stream source. There are several trails leading up the hills towards the top of the reserve, though some of these are quite steep. Today, we're taking the least steep option, the start of which is hidden behind two of the hills. As we reach the top of the reserve, we'll be able to see the autumn colours of the woods from above. A trail runs across the top of the hills, and from this there are great views of Barton village and the Bedfordshire countryside beyond. Once we've descended the hills, we'll finish our walk by taking a closer look at the outside of St Nicholas Church, parts of which date back to the 12th century. If in need of refreshments, there are several pubs and cafes in Barton village, which is a 10-minute walk from the church.